All right, another pandemic trend that is not dying out, the fastest growing sport in America. Pickleball is staying strong, not just adding high-profile players, but owners in a professional league. It's called Major League Pickleball. Today, NBA stars LeBron James, Draymond Green, and Kevin Love joining an impressive group that includes Drew Brees, Milwaukee Bucks owner, Avenue Capital founder Mark Lasry, and serial entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk, just to name a few. MLP founder Steve Kuhn says this investment and the platform that this group provides will significantly help us reach our goal of 40 million pickleball players by 2030. I think they may hit that goal, in particular because this is the most relatable sport there is on the planet right now. We can all play it. We just talked about Legos. This has much more range. You could be 80 and kick my butt in pickleball, and that's what makes this game so great. You can play with your spouse. You can play with your kids. Whole nother question about Major League Pickleball and whether that will succeed. But nothing is increasing more in value today than professional sports franchises and sports media rights.
Yeah, the jury's still out on the whole professional aspect of this. Pickleball, though, as a sport, people that can play at all ages, it makes a heck of a lot of sense. When you take a look at some of these participation numbers, 17% of players are 65 and older, so clearly appealing to the older crowd. A third are under 25. It's a lot of fun. It doesn't take that much equipment. You can easily grab your gear and head out to courts. There are courts popping up all over Manhattan, all over the suburbs. The rate, Rachelle, that it has become so popular has caught me a little bit by surprise. Yes, it makes a lot of sense, but now you feel like you see it everywhere you go.
It's true. I mean, we saw a lot of tennis courts that got converted into pickleball courts. Because as you mentioned, the barrier to entry, the rackets aren't expensive, the balls aren't expensive either. It's good no matter how old you are. Not sure how well a 65-year-old dude is going to do if, you have LeBron now entering the field as well. You have a lot of retired tennis players. Maybe they'll get into this field as well. But I love that it's something that's easy and accessible. I'm not sure I'm sold on the Major League Pickleball just yet, but I mean, obviously very still early days, but clearly a lot of interest in this. This isn't going away anytime soon.
Quick tip for Steve Kuhn. Serena Williams, Roger Federer. Done.
That could be a
I'll
game
watch.
changer. All right. Well, that does it for us today on Yahoo Finance Live. I also think that we should all do a team pickleball game.
Let's
Everyone's
go.
in.